to this dump and I saw something very interesting. And I want to show it to you. Can you see what is over there? In fact, because I am someone who fears water, I could have gone there and show it to you physical. This is what we call cage culture system of fish farming. In fact, in this video, I will tell you what cage system is, the benefits and the limitations. Then you will appreciate it if you are planning to start your fish farming, especially the cage system. If you are new to this channel, my name is Abdulaziz Issa. All we do in this channel is to share fish farming tips based on our experience and research. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Share this video and let it reach more fish farmers. The cage fish farming system is where there are where fish farmers raise fish in a floating way, in a big or in a more massive water system. I'm saying more massive water system because if the water is small, it can easily pollute the water. So the water needs to be as large as possible. So the float system, as you can see, it has numerous advantages. One is it always gives you good and better water quality. As you can see, the water is large, so the fish are there. They have it in a net and guide them. Then the fish are inside and they are floating. So there's constant in and out of fresh water. So no water change, and that's another advantage. So making the farm to be more easy and faster where already fish lives. So keeping them here, it's their natural way. So they grow fast if you manage them well. Unlike other system like concrete or tarpaulin, where you constantly have to have good water quality management. Here for water quality management, you are good to go. Another advantage is that this system, as I mentioned, is less costly. It's less costly because you don't need cement, concrete items to construct. You don't need tarpaulin to construct. You only need a strong net and barrels or something that will make them float, and you are good to go. You put it there and you are good to go. So this system is very important and it's very good, especially for commercial farmers or those who want to produce fish in larger quantity. And this is also easy to manage in case of feeding. Yes, you can just go there, they are confined, throw your feed in and you are good to go. But this is not to say that this does not also have limitations. It has a lot of limitations. And the most common one is that the fish can escape. The thing is that the cage is a net that confines them. There are instances that the net can get torn or it can break. When that happens, all the fish or most of the fish, if they make their way out, they escape into the wild water, missing to the wild fish, and you have lost control over them. That's one of the disadvantages. And that disadvantage is that if the fish production is more than the quantity of the water, it can easily pollute the entire water body. If the water is small or if they put more cages as compared to the capacity of the water, definitely you are going to have water challenges. And that water, natural water body, you have spoil or destroy it like that. So it's not ideal. Another thing is that if you are someone who fears water, like me for instance, if I see a large water like this, it terrifies me, it frightens me. So a person like me will have difficult managing cage system. Like where the cage is you can't just walk in there. Most of them they use canoes. And good example is here. As you can see the canoes lying here. So in order to access the system, they need to take the canoe to that place. If I don't know how to use canoe, or if I fear water, it is problematic. So often that's what they do. So these are some of the disadvantages of the cage system. Another disadvantage we can also talk about is that are there. Apart from the feed that you give them, since they are confined, they cannot get other natural feed to consume. Like the wild fish there, they have access to other natural feed. They can consume that. But here you are confined them. There's no other way that they have their freedom to move around and to get supplementary feed. So here you have to provide them the feed all the time. So these are the limitations. But better still, it's worth it. If you can afford this and you can be overcome these challenges and you go in for the case system, it is very good. Go in for it and you are good to go. I thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out our resources such as our course, fish farming course, then our DIY flotation irrigation system, how to make your own flotation system, and then we also have ebooks and other items. Check the link in the description, enroll on them, and we'll learn our fish farm together. And don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe. My name is Abdulaziz Issa. Thank you so much for watching.